What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. Take a look at this. We got one of the biggest Shiba Inu price predictions that we probably ever done on this channel, y'all. So this is not from myself, this is from ChatGPT. Y'all know we've been leveraging the power of AI as it gets closer and closer to becoming more accurate with technical analysis and being able to gauge or predict where certain prices will be in, at certain points of time. So I'm excited about this one, y'all. Check the links in the description section of this video. You can grab my book on Amazon right now. Also, do not forget to join the Vegas Inu token Telegram, y'all. We just got listed on Telegram and gained over almost 230 to 50 holders in one day, y'all. And this is just the absolute beginning. I told y'all, 10 toes down, that's the way to go up. So let's see. Shiba Inu, ChatGPT. Prediction for SHIB. Will SHIB hit 10 cents, y'all? Now, obviously, y'all know me. Roll to 1 cent is my goal. Obviously, as we get closer and closer to that level and we hit that level, it might extend. But at this point, I'm one of the people that, I believe we should just focus on that 1 cent goal because it's hard enough to reach that level. But as we start really getting closer to that goal, we have to understand that once 1 cent becomes a reality, 5 cents, 10 cents is going to eventually become a reality as well. So let's get into this now. Understand that we will have a very, very, very hard time reaching some of these price levels if we do not get the circulating supply down drastically. Right now, we got over 589 trillion tokens. And in order to reach 1 cent at that level, we would need Shiba Inus at a market cap of $5.89 trillion approximately. Now, that's more money than the all-time high of 3 trillion that the cryptocurrency market had in it at first, at its last bull run. Now, this is the thing we got to remember. That doesn't mean it's impossible for SHIB to reach that level. Let's say so much money flows in this bull run that it puts the overall crypto market cap at a $15-20 million market cap, or a $15 to $20 trillion market cap. Then, it's a potential we could, possibly see SHIB inching up towards those levels. So let's see what we got here. So as Bitcoin's price shows an impressive post retest reverse rally. Let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can read this with me. Okay, so as Bitcoin price shows an impressive post retest reversal rally rising from 65,000, the bullish week gains momentums. Amidst the reversal, the Shiba Inu meme coin shows a high momentum reversal phase. With a massive jump of 40% last month and 133% this month, the bull run is picking up pace in Shiba Inu. Further, with the multiple SHIB price predictions forecasting a jump beyond 0.001. Sheesh! Now I said we going to 3 zeros. They saying we gonna jump straight to 2 zeros. Sheesh! Now this ain't financial advice. You gotta remember, nothing in this video is more like financial entertainment, education, whatever you want to call it, but it's not financial advice, y'all. We're just learning together, earning together, growing together, and hopefully y'all reaching that level of eventually generational wealth. So the month chart reflects bullish revival. This month, the SHIB price increased sharply to the peak of 404567 before taking a quick setback. The downfall limits the month return to 133% with the current market price at 402940. This is why I tell people to zoom out. For those of you that saying, why is Shiba Inu crashing? Why is it down? Why is it like, dude, we were up almost 200% still for year to date. That's the best performance out of the top 20 cryptocurrencies, essentially. At least top 10 for sure. So it's like, why are we upset about that? When obviously I know my community isn't the DD Nation, but there's a few, stragglers in a respectful way of coming in, and they hey, SHIB's crashing. What's going on? Like it shows you clearly bought at the high price and now you're panicking and upset. Whenever you start, I want y'all to know this. Whenever y'all see people start asking about price and stuff like that, either they're in the red or they're getting ready to sell. They either want to sell so that they're complaining about the price because they're ready to sell. If you're a long-term holder, why do you care about what the price is today? If you're planning on holding it for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, what does the price today matter? So that lets you know when a person is ready to sell. When they start talking really about price, like, and complaining, and it's like, oh yeah, you ready to sell, ain't you? That's all you got to know. So trading view, as per with Shiba Inu's price action, the bullish revival comes with a rounding bottom reversal aiming to surpass the previous all-time high. Hence, the breakout of the 50% fib level at 403679 with a strong closing above it will signal an entry opportunity. However, the Fibonacci retracement levels predict the bull run to achieve the psychological mark of 3010 mark. Therefore, for a longer and more optimistic price target, we asked the latest ChatGPT-4 to predict the price trend. So ChatGPT believes 10 cent conceivable for Shiba Inu in 2025. This gotta be a typo. 10 cent in 2025, y'all. Everybody get ready to become a billionaire if that's the case. Obviously not financial advice, but 10 cents, y'all, in 2025? What do they see taking place? So we shared the monthly chart of Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at what they're saying. We shared them, and this is the paid version of ChatGPT that's saying this. This isn't the free version. So we shared the monthly chart of Shiba Inu price trends with ChatGPT for an assessment in the coming years. Before starting the assessment, the AI took multiple considerations, such as Bitcoin halving, broader market trends, and more. So here's what the AI model predicted for the meme coin and the optimistic target of 10 cents. So ChatGPT says, assessing the provided chart with the Fibonacci retracement levels, it suggests that SHIB has experienced significant volatility with notable retracements after peaks. As we approach the Bitcoin halving event in 2024, which is about less than maybe 20 days away, 25 days away, y'all, altcoins like SHIB could potentially benefit from increased investor interest and capital inflow. Considering the Fibonacci levels and the pattern of retracement and recovery, we can see that SHIB has previously reached the level of 0.05 and 0.618 Fibonacci levels before bouncing back. If such patterns hold and are compounded by a bullish altcoin season post the Bitcoin halving, there is potential for considerable price increases. For 2024, taking an optimistic approach while remaining cognizant of past behavior, she might test higher Fibonacci extension levels. If it surpasses its previous high and maintains a solid uptrend, we can anticipate a target near the 1618 level, which on this chart suggests a price of around the 0.0010427 mark. A sustained bull, so just under 1 cent, y'all, a tenth of a cent. So a sustained bull market could push it towards higher extensions like the 2618 level, which isn't depicted on the chart, but would represent a more significant price increase. In 2025, assuming the post-halving momentum continues and the project sees further development and adoption, the push towards 1 cent could be conceivable. I'm toast. I'm toast, y'all. I'm toast. AI is telling us, now obviously we know this ain't financial advice, but AI is telling us 2025, we could potentially see SHIB breaking through to 1 cent. Now, hey, I don't know if that sounds unlikely to me personally, but artificial intelligence is a lot smarter than me. AI is a lot smarter than this one individual. Now, obviously, it's not perfect yet, and it doesn't have everything perfectly, figured out just yet, but that's giving us hints. I like these bullish indications because even if we don't hit 1 cent or 10 cent, even if we hit a half a cent, do y'all know how much money I will make if Shiba Inu reaches a half a cent? Do y'all understand what level a lot of people in my community will be at the point when Shiba Inu reaches a half a cent? When Shiba Inu reaches a half a cent, y'all, it's going to be crazy. That's going to be a day, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. I'm super bullish right now. Y'all got to understand, this ain't financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Never risk more than you're willing to lose, y'all. I'm a fan of Shiba Inu. I'm an investor of Shiba Inu. I'm bullish on Shiba Inu. So likely my content, I'm always keep it 1,000 with y'all, but my content is going to likely be in favor of Shiba Inu unless, something specifically is going on that we need to talk about, which y'all seen in past times we have when, it was something we really need to talk about with SHIB. We done that. But right now, y'all, I'm bullish. We got the bull run ahead of us. They're saying this one will be one for the books. I'm expecting this to be, bigger than everybody can imagine. Think about it. We have more adoption. We got, development team working harder than ever. We got burn mechanisms in place. We got shibarium now. Man, we got more utilities on the way. It's going crazy, y'all. And shibarium is starting off with appearing to be a meme coin season on shibarium, y'all. This is very, very exciting. So let me just hurry up with this, y'all. Reaching 10 cent, a tenfold increase from such levels will require a level of market adoption, utility, and capital investment far greater than current trends suggest. This would represent an extremely bullish scenario, likely driven by factors beyond technical analysis alone, such as substantial real-world utility, adoption, or significant change in the tokenomics of SHIB. So they're saying basically if we burn a ton of tokens, if the world all of a sudden, the president says, hey, we're officially using, Shiba Inu for, whatever, the case may be, central banks are now using Shiba Inu, something like that, that's what they mean by real world utility or, adoption. The masses coming in, right now only less than 5% of the people in the world, less than 4% of the people in the world are invested into cryptocurrencies. And even less people are in the world are invested into altcoins and meme coins. So, think about it. We are very, very early still with Shiba Inu. You got to really, expand your mind when it comes to Shiba Inu in the timeline. Think about it also. One of my strategies is to have multiple bags. So that way I have short-term, mid-term, long-term availability to take advantage of, whatever the price action is at that time if I would like to. And you can have multiple of short-term, mid-term, and long-term bags. You could also, it's not financial advice, but I do think it's a good idea to get bags for your kids, your loved ones. The people that, that you can't get them to invest right now, but you want to put a bag away for them safely, safely and store it. You don't have to put a lot, just a little something. Who knows? You throwing $50, towards a cousin's Shiba Inu fund. It could turn to who knows what one day. Obviously, depending on the level, you might put more, but I'm just saying though, keep that in mind. So, considering the Fibonacci levels as the next price targets, GBT predicts the bull run to reach 2.0010427 in 2024, y'all. This is going to be absolutely crazy. Beyond this, and that's if this does happen, y'all. And remember, this is the thing too. A lot of y'all won't make it. A lot of y'all, I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with y'all. A lot of y'all won't make it to see 1 cent. You know why? Because on the journey to 1 cent, especially y'all that have one bag, you're gonna see your value in your bag at a nice amount where it's gonna make you have an emotional, reaction where you might end up selling your bag. And I'm not telling you not to. If you got life-changing money that can help you, money that can whatever, do what you got to do. But what I'm saying is a lot of people won't make it to that point because they're going to sell when they see nice gains. And now they sold out of their bags. Now they don't have no more. Now she goes to the next level. So there's going to be so many people that sell before 1 cent because of the gains they're going to see in their portfolio. So it's only going to be, the diamond-handed of the most diamond-handed individuals making it to that level. So that's all we got for this video. Again, don't forget to check out Vegas Inu token, y'all. We just hit CoinMarketCap, man. This is big. This is really, really big, y'all. Vegas Inu token is on CoinMarketCap, and this is just the beginning, y'all. This is only the beginning. I can't say too much, but I can say connect the dots, man. Connect those dots. We are up 9.6% in the green today. If you like early projects similar to Shiba Inu, solid communities, working to build and really working organically, from the ground up, starting off, you want to tap into Vegas Inu token. I'm telling you, check it out ASAP. ASAP. All I can do is tell you to check it out. Do your due diligence. Due diligence is free. It doesn't hurt. Join our Telegram. It's free. It doesn't hurt. Also, my Shiba Inu technical analysis report will be inside the Vegas Inu Telegram for free. So I'll be charging for this report. But if you want it free, join the Vegas Inu token Telegram. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Check the links in the description section of this video for Vegas Inu token. I got the contract address down there, website, Twitter, everything you need, Telegram, and much more. Also, free resources as well. Free stocks and free cryptocurrencies by clicking some of those links down there as well. My book is on Amazon. If you want to get my Mastering Chart Patterns guide, look, y'all, it will be going out in approximately the next, about 72 hours for those that have already joined my mailing list. If you're already on the mailing list to receive the Mastering Chart Patterns guide for free, you'll be getting it for free. You don't have to send another email. But if you have not got this guide for free, I'm letting 200 people in. If 200 people don't fill up by the next 72 hours, because I notice a lot of people already in the community are on it. If you're not on that list right now, you might be one of the few that are missing. So email me, StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Remember, you have to be within the next 200 people to be on that list because I'm going to cap it off. Now, that's all we got for this one. If you're interested in any of my courses, stock options trading course, technical analysis course, or my Crypto 101 DeFi course, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Remember, it's a separate email for the courses, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And for the Mastering Chart Patterns guide, it is StockGoatClass. StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure you smash the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And